Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about where you can find the right product to start shipping and become an independent dropshipper and break away from the 9 to 5 and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. The reason why we make all these amazing videos for you guys is to give you the right methodology and strategy that you could use to actually understand how to navigate this particular niche. And if you need to understand further the tips and tricks, then obviously head over to our channel and check them out. And obviously, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So without further ado, let's start today's video. Now, the first thing that you need to understand obviously is what is the limitations that are required when you're doing dropshipping. Now, limitations are areas that you can't enter or have difficulty enter. They could be known as barriers as well. Now, there's different limitations. It has age limitations, gender limitations, and environmental limitations as well. And you need to understand how to break through those limitations in order to select a niche and a product in that niche that is evergreen. Now, one of the things I always recommend everyone that is thinking about developing or starting their dropshipping business is doing a research and developing a culture within themselves where they always do extensive research before they select any single product. And that is what is one of our major tips to success in this particular industry. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head over to AliExpress.com. Now, AliExpress.com is a very interesting platform, guys. If you see on the left hand side, you're going to have categories. It's women fashions, men's fashions, phones and telecommunications, computer, office and security, consumer electronics, jewelry and watches, and so much more. Now, these are categories. Now, within the categories, you have subcategories. For example, if you click on consumer electronics, you're going to see accessory parts, you're going to see home and audio video, portable video and audios, camera, photos, smart electronics, and video games. If you look at men's fashion, you're going to have the same element over here. You have the outer view and jackets, accessories, underwears, bottoms. So there's a lot of elements that are available, and that is something that you need to understand, that you have a category, then you have a subcategory. Within that subcategory, you have different elements available, and you need to select a particular product, a particular element, a particular niche that is going to make you a lot of money. Now, if I scroll down, you can see some super deals. Now, this is where things get really interesting, guys, because the actual ability to make a profit and becoming financially independent is finding a good deal, a quality deal. And obviously, once you select a good deal and a quality deal, you'll be able to sell that particular product and make a massive profit out of it. And that is where AliExpress comes in, because this is a place where you can find really cheap and good quality product. If you look at this product over here, this is for 99 cents, 8,000 have been sold. For 49 cents, 31,000 have been sold. 5,000 have been sold at $1.32, and for $30, this television has been sold 750 times. If you scroll down, you can see more elements available. Look at these absolutely brilliant phone cases. For 49 cents, 5,000 have been sold. For 99 cents, 10,000 have been sold. If you scroll even a little bit down, you can see different elements available. For 99 cents, this particular fast charger has been sold 375 times. This watch has been sold for 4,000 times at 49 cents. So you can see that this is an opportunity of a lifetime, guys. You can select and get amazing product at very reasonable prices. A 2 terabyte USB high speed has been sold for 97 cents 2,000 times. So you can clearly see the power of social media and the power of these platforms that are available. If you want to do a little bit more research, I would recommend that you head over to Alibaba.com. Now, Alibaba.com is a very interesting platform, guys, because Alibaba.com is where the middleman is cut out and you go directly to the source of those products. On the top, you're going to see products and you're going to see manufacturers. So let's search for phone cases. Now, once we search for phone cases, what is going to happen is that we're going to find the phone cases and the products that are available for phone cases. But we're going to take it to one step ahead, guys, because I want to make sure that you have the proper insight and the proper skill that you require to really take matters to the next level. Now, as you can clearly see, you can get these for 49 cents and you can even customize it. You can put your logo on top of it and sell it with your logo on. You can get this for 28 cents, guys. That is even lower than AliExpress. You can get these for 25 cents and you can even customize it at the same time. Now, the question question that a lot of people tend to ask me is that this is an amazing opportunity. How can we actually get in touch with these manufacturers? It's quite simple. If you like this particular product, just click on the product and it's going to open up in a separate window. Now in this window, something really interesting takes place. Now on the left hand side, you're going to see the information regarding the actual product. So there's a video showing how this product is being made, and that's one of the things I love about Alibaba, because they show the actual manufacturing element of it. They're not a retail store. They're not selling it to individuals who want to buy it. They're selling it to companies, organizations, to individuals that are running businesses that are selling these particular products. So their focus is developing a partnership. Their focus is developing a long-term relationship, and their focus is developing something that's very unique, that is going to last them and make them a profit and you a profit in the actual long run. So if you look at the right-hand side, you're going to see that this is a verified supplier, and majority of suppliers on Alibaba.com are from China. So this is because individuals have been working in this industry for 17 years. They have a store rating of 4.8 and an on-time delivery rate of 97%. They already have an online revenue of $1.2 million. They have 68 staffs, and there's minor customization and centralized procurement that is available. And they have a quality control as well, so you always know that you get a right element that's available. So you can get a customized logo, and you're going to get a customized packing as well. So you can clearly see that they have a full understanding how to develop a long-term relationship. So this is compatible for an iPhone. This is places in China, and you can get 50 minimum orders that is available. You have the actual phone case number available. You have the available supplies. So they can supply 800,000 pieces per month. So if you're an individual and you need 100,000, 200,000, they're the one to come to. You can speak to them directly by calling them or contacting them by email or sending them a message. They have full specification and product description of the product as well. As you can clearly see, this is a very high quality product that is available for grabs, and you can easily use this product, customize this product, and start selling this product on your stores. It could be on Amazon, it could be on eBay, it could be on Shopify, but the story doesn't end there. You want to make sure that the company information is correct as well, and that is where the company profile comes in. They have a full information about who they are, what they guarantee, what you can buy from them, and why you should buy from them and not from other suppliers, and what services they can provide. If you're happy with all the information, you can easily send them a message. If you want to check the company profile out in detail, that is available as well. And this is available for every single company and organization that is actually available on Alibaba.com. You got pictures that are verified about the organization. You have the full information of where they're actually based, what kind of company they are, what their total revenues are, who their major clients are going to be, and obviously what certifications they tend to have. Now the story really gets a lot more interesting. You can check out the product capacities. You can even check out the quality control and the R&D research that they're doing, and the trade capacity they tend to have, and the factory inspection reports are available as well. So you have the peace of mind before you select any organization to supply the product to you, and you don't need to leave the comfort of your home. You can do all of this from the comfort of your home and actually get the right product from the right supplier sent to you directly, so you can start making a profit off it. Now guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, if you need any clarification, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, assist you. And obviously this is the reason why we make all these videos, is to give you the proper insight so you can always select the right strategy and methodology by increasing your sales and doing it in an efficient manner, so you can become financially independent, enjoy a life, and live a life that you always dreamed about. If you like our video guys, do let us know as well, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.